Hey everyone, today I want to show you this fat burning slimming belt that I've been using. They have it 5 steps. It's too easy to use. It's really simple to use and you can wrap it around your stomach, waist, or an area you want to firm up. All you do is put the belt on, tighten it to the length you like, and let it work while you are doing your normal activities. It feels comfortable, not too tight, and the material is really soft on the skin. I like using it while I'm cleaning, working, or even relaxing at home. It helps support my core, keeps your posture better, and keeps my weight a more toned and firm feeling. If you're looking for something easy to add to your daily routine, this slimming belt is the great option. Super lightweight, easy to wear, and you can take it anywhere. Give it a try if you want a little extra help shipping and tightening your weight, and it's so easy to keep when you after you use it. I really enjoy it so far. I really love it. I like it very much. Thank you for watching.